Hey guys, so this is organizing my fidgets, part 2. And I'm so sorry that I paused. I don't know what happened, but I'm just going to keep putting these fidgets away. And as I was putting these fidgets away, I noticed that we're almost done. And if we're almost done, that's good because I don't want it to keep pausing on you guys. Come join the fun squad. Fight. Clear. And I'll see you guys when this is done because I go a lot faster when I'm not holding this. So if it pauses, I'm just going to do a part 3. So now I'm just going to shove poppets in there because we don't have time to be playing around. So I'm just grabbing random poppets. I'm shoving them. We got so many. Okay guys, I'm just putting away the last few fidgets and then I'm going to show you the final finale. I hope you guys really like it. Okay, so guys, I'm back. This is the random fidget draw. This is the mochi draw. This is the ramen noodle / monkey noodle draw. Orby stress balls, needles and pop tubes. Random fidgets. And there we have dimples, and then there we have poppets. And then there we also have some slime. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was super fun to make. But before I leave, make sure you guys go like and subscribe if you want to be on my shout out board. And if you want me to do like more fidget videos or more Tokaboka or more Lego City. But I'll see you guys next time. Fidget peace. Another sleigh, another day.